Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And in this video, we're going to talk about how, uh, while creating recursive functions, where do we go wrong? Where do we generally go wrong? Generally, we go wrong where there is no base case. What do I mean by that? For example, in this case, the base case was, or we have a base case which is faulty. Look, the entire base case is based on the return keyword. So that means if you are missing a return keyword in your base case, or your base case is kind of very weird and it's just not actually stopping a loop after a certain condition, that means your entire loop will run for the entire existence and you'll have some crazy errors like stack overflow or stack overflow, the popular website kind of. Yeah. So what do I mean by that? Let me just quickly show you. I'll show this as well as in the developer tool of Chrome's, as well as we're gonna see that in our web browser. Online JS compiler. Anyway, let's look at now. Function keyword, factorial, num, parameter. Is it a parameter? Yeah, it's a parameter. It contains a base case and it contains a return value. Or let's say the chunked in return value. Like every time it will get chunked smaller and smaller and smaller at the time it reaches the base case, and when it reaches the base case, when the parameter reaches the base case, just straight up returns value, and that return value will be passed on to the entire waiting functions in the stack. Makes sense, kind of hard, but okay. Um, so what would happen right now when you just try to run this, you will get a crazy error. It will say uncaught range error, maximum call stack size exceeded while running this factorial function. Okay, happens as I told you. The stack, if you just try to place whatever this thing is called pointer here and try tracing out the steps what's happening in the call stack, this factorial function is called a lot of times with a different parameter, uh, as well as multiplied with the concurrent num. It will keep on calling itself and calling itself, and it will not stop. So why? Because there is no base case, or you have, for example, for example for example, you did write a base case. Okay, for example, you actually did write a base case, but your base case doesn't contain a return keyword. Instead it contains a console log. It's just like, hey, if num is equal to 1, don't bother much, just console log 1 and continue doing your work. But we don't want that. Return keyword is just like a breaking of the function. It will just break break out of the function and return us a certain value. Anyway, makes sense, right? So there's no base case or forgotten return keyword, and things are wrong. If you forget any of those cases, any of these things, like forget the return keyword, or you entirely miss the entire base case situation statement, then you will have a stack overflow problem. Yes. Um, okay, let's just try doing this, and in here, for example, we have factorial of 2, which should return us, let's do it 5. Numlock 5 inside of it, numlock 5, which should return, I guess, 120. Let's just have a look at the console log. We press Control Enter and we guess 120 on the output. Let me clean everything. um, cannot we make it, yeah, reduced here, and we press it in here, and we have added it, and we press in Control Enter again. Okay, let me close the breakpoint and the stuff. Let me just click on the call stack. The call stack is right now is recursion mistake 6. What is this mistake 6? Oh, by the way, recursion mistake 6 is our file name. Don't get confused. So I want to see how did it reach to the solution. So let's. The first step is it goes num with 5. As you can see, it has only one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, I suppose. Yeah, 4 times it adds, calls itself, and then it starts reducing. Wait a damn second. Why it's continuously adding? Is it adding? 4, 5. Oh yeah, it reaches 5 times and then the return values are passed on to the layer above factorial call, function call, and we then reach to the solution 120. Let me get rid of it. Let me run it again. Okay. Do we have an output? We don't have an output. We just wait. This number of times the factorial function is called, and after this is the last factorial to which the value is being provided. What could it be? Um, 5 into 4. No, no, no. 5 into 4 into 3, 4 12. 4 0 12. 12 into 2. What's 12 into 2? 12 into 2 is 24, right? So basically 24 will get multiplied with 5. So in this step, 24 has to get multiplied by 5 right now, I suppose. So we almost reach to the anonymous function back again, and we get the value added. Ta-da! Before this, we can't go backwards, right? We can just go forward only. Anyway, oh, we shouldn't have used console log, because why do I use console log? Because if it's already gonna get console automatically on the screen. Control enter. Let's do it again. Call stack 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Let me just do it again. Um, yeah, let me just do it again. What happened, bro? Anyway, you got the point, right? Yep. So, oh god, I ran out of time. So, what happens if you miss this? What happens if you miss this? There is no base case. Okay. Why can't I select it? That's weird. Oh yeah, I guess this. No? How do I select it? Um, I guess I would restart it again because it's just not working. Okay, I'll start Chrome again. Leave. So Chrome, Control Shift I. Again, we are back. Let me close all the other snippets and then just open Recursion. Why am I unable to click on it? Yeah. Oh, it was already clicked, I suppose. Close the breakpoints. Now we just move forward. So we get this added twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. How many times added by now? 5th. It will just continue. Oh, it won't continue. It will just straight up return 120 because the return keyword is there. Now what happens if I miss on this one? How do I go for it? We run it again, I suppose. Yeah, we run it again. Twice, thrice, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Do you see? There's layers of function call and in the stack call stack, but it's just unable to find a base case. That's why it's failing. Similar situation would happen if you use console log here. And what would happen? We'll just stop it and just press enter, and you might see an uncaught error. Maximum call size exceeded. But why is I seeing this? Yeah. Oh, for some reason. Okay. Let me just Let me get rid of it. Let me run again. So you see, get an caught error. That's all for the video. Till then, take keep DSAing. Recursion, recursion.